Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about deleting or clearing your watch history on TikTok. So this will apply for iOS and Android devices, basically anything running the TikTok app. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile. If you're unsure how to get to this page, just select the profile button at the bottom right and then select the hamburger icon at the top right, left click on it, and select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Content and Display, you want to select where it says Activity Center, and then select where it says Watch History, left click on that, and then select whatever video you want to remove from your watch history, just left click on it, and you can select the Delete button. You can select Delete again. You may also want to delete everything by selecting the Select button at the top, and you can select multiple videos you want to remove, and then select delete. Alternatively, you can also select the select all watch history down here and you can select delete and that'll delete everything. So pretty straightforward process on that. You would select delete and then all of your watch history would be deleted. This will delete the history in the past 180 days. I believe after 180 days, watch history is automatically deleted. That's why it only goes back 6 months. Select delete and then the watch history will be deleted. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.